Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So I'm currently on an island called Koh Lipe, and we just got done snorkeling, and I wanted to show you guys a room tour of the hotel we're staying at tonight, or it's actually a resort, but let's go. No fancy intro, so here it is. Like I mentioned before, we just went snorkeling, so shit's drying right here. Oh, by the way, this is called the Bella Lipe. Come on in guys. So here's our room right here, right by the beach front. As you walk in, you got this couch right here. Don't mind the mess, like I said. Once we were done snorkeling, we had to shower, so we already messed up this room pretty bad already. So check it out. Here's our window to the beach. It's a very nice view. And then, you know, if you're a perverted guy, you can like hide behind the curtains and then look at the girls in the bikini. But this tree is kind of like blocking the way. Or, you know, if you're a gay guy and you just want to look at some dudes, or if you're a lesbian, you know, whatever floats your boat, man. But you can check out people on the beach anyways. So over here, there's a little fridge. You got a TV with a TV stand, and for a beach resort, there's sure a lot of rugs. I guess they don't mind like getting sand on there or anything. And check it out, we have a huge bed. It's like 2 beds into one. We haven't messed this part up yet. And then we have the Thai purple silk runner right here. And for a resort, this has to be like one of the places that gives you the least amount of pillows. Usually they have like 2 sets of pillow for each person, so it'll be like 4 pillows, and then not counting those over there. Over here, you have the makeup area, because I know like a lot of chicks come here, so you want to see yourself while you're doing makeup. And then you got the chair here, you got the flower here to make you feel special. Here we got the dressers. I've checked. There's no Buddha, there's no Jesus. And we are in this like southern part of Thailand. There's a lot of Muslims here. There's no Quran or anything there too. And check it out. Here's the bathroom. You have a huge dresser here. They got the blow dryer. And check out, this is pretty neat. They fold this in this little thing. And then you have clickbait here doing makeup. And this is the main highlight of the bathroom. Clickbait and I were trying to, like, for the longest time, we're trying to figure out why we couldn't come up with anything logical. I mean, it's comfy, it's a nice couch. I can just sit here and I mean, I can watch Clickbait do makeup, but why? And especially like it's right in front of the toilet too, but let's continue with the tour. So you got a toilet here. You got this spray to wash down. And here's the shower area right here. Check it out. The rain shower, the regular shower. But yeah, if any of you guys know like what the reason to have a sofa here in the bathroom, let me know in the comment section below, because I have no idea.
Hey, can you tell me what the meaning of life?
You know, life is like taking a shit. Sometimes we hold too much bad stuff on the inside, and once we let it all out, it feels so much better and lighter.